We are outside of One University Park, and I filmed it a while ago, the main elevators, but looks like we have a 330A. Someone was angry and kicked the wall. Let's give it a ride. Center opening doors.
It's a 330A. Yay.
I like how that's the fire map.
You are here. Excellent.
Wow, there's no homeless people sleeping in it.
You would hope that there would be.
There usually are.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Boy, for a nice complex like this, you'd think they'd do more.
Yeah.
They don't have a camera.
No, yeah, that's why homeless people sleep in here.
That indicator is missing the cover over the front.
Yeah.
And then we go
Ring the bell?
The bell, because the bell is important. That door is totally broken.
Ha, yeah. Oh yeah, look. It's missing the cover.
It's a really short feet.
It is.
It's kind of cool. I didn't know this place had a public garage.
Mm-hmm. So does Atelier.
Really? Oh, you want to go down again?
Let's ring the chime at least. There it is.